Sangeeta and today we are at ITS Engineering College Greater Noida where TechTRIX 2025 has been organized. We have some participant students to talk about the event. First of all, please introduce yourself.
Hello, I am Adarsh and today I am here to participate in the TechTRIX event where the hackathon is being organized, and I am here to present my innovative idea for the problem statement, which includes the problem where the co-working spaces, about the co-working spaces like the manual managements and all, where the issues comes like the submissions and you can say receipts management, payment management, and the booking history and all, which is all being organized on the manual basis. But today we are thinking of managing it on our website, and we are currently working on it, and we hope we will do our best in this hackathon.
What motivated you to participate in TechTRIX and how was your experience?
Well, my experience is really good here and I am currently enjoying my participation here, and also I am motivated for the hackathon because I know that participation in hackathons is very important for our future, for the connections, and also if we are not even ready for the hackathon, but we should try so that we can be prepared in the future. I am currently in my first year, so today my motive is not only winning but also learning about how will I be able to perform better in my future hackathons.
What challenges did you face while working on your project and how did you overcome them?
Well, there are some challenges, like currently I am in my first year, so I have not much knowledge about all those softwares which are included in our website, but I am currently working on it, and I assure you that I'll learn them in future and be better on it.
First of all, introduce yourself and little bit about your project.
So I'm Sangeeta. I'm currently first year student in ITS Engineering College, and I'm doing B.Tech in Computer Science and Engineering. Our project is to build a virtual herbal garden system. It is a platform where people come to know the herbal things, herbal plants, their remedies. Our website provides the visual, 3D visuals of plants, information, and at one platform you can get everything about the herbal garden. Like if you want to buy from a nursery, we can provide this service. And if you want gardening tips, we can provide gardening tips. If you want information about any plants, how plants grow, how plants helps in natural remedies, what its traditional significance, we provide everything at one platform. So it's different from any other platform like Google or ChatGPT. We can also get information, but is apart from information, and there are also services we providing at our platform.
What motivated you to participate in TechTRIX 2025 and how was your experience so far?
I love technology. Whenever I got a chance to participate in any events like hackathon or codeathon, ideathon, I always come first to these things. And main motive to participate in virtual herbal garden, build virtual herbal garden system is everything is going to be sustainable development. People are promoting sustainable development.
What challenges did you face while working on your projects and how did you overcome from them?
So challenges, actually I am in first year, I'm a first year student and I do not know much about technologies right now. I am learning everything. I'm learning DSA, I'm learning development. So anyhow I got a chance to develop things. I'm doing front end for my website, but every situation we got problems, but there are mentors, there are our teachers, professors who help us a lot. So from problems comes, but we are trying to face, but we are trying to solve it through our guidance, through mentors guidance and teacher support.
First of all, please introduce yourself and little about your project.
So basically, I am Aditya. Currently, I am in first year of my engineering college. So basically, my project is related to co-working spaces. So basically, we are building a software so that co-working spaces like companies can manage their bookings and all. And we are willing to do their online payment integration so that anyone can book their slots and the booking and the co-working spaces company can avail their slots.
What motivated you participate in this TechTRIX 2025 and how was your experience?
So basically, I am motivated because coding is my passion. So I love building products. So basically, I thought the problem was interesting. So basically, many companies like co-working spaces are facing challenges in managing their staff and having burden while managing bookings and all. So basically, they are doing all the stuff manually. So basically, we are moving all the stuff online. So by providing a platform so that all the features can help them.
What challenges you face while working on your project and how did you overcome from them?
So basically, currently we are building on the front end part. So basically, the UI UX part was a little bit difficult. So basically, the challenges were to manage the front end part. So when the user interact with the website, it will be difficult because we have to build for the dashboard side for both the users and the co-working spaces. So basically, to managing them all in the single-handed is quite difficult.
हेलो, मैं अनुभव त्रिपाठी हूँ। मैं ITSEC इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज B.Tech AIML ब्रांच से हूँ और मेरी प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है जो गवर्नमेंट और सिविल सिटीजन्स हैं उनके बीच में, जैसे सिटीजन्स को कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर्स करनी होती है तो वो गवर्नमेंट तक पहुँच नहीं पाती है या फिर उसका डिले हो जाती है। तो उसको कैसे हम ब्रिज कर सकते हैं, उस गैप को हम कैसे कम कर सकते हैं, इस पर मेरा सोल्यूशन रहेगा। हमारा प्रोडक्ट इसी पे बेस रहेगा कि हम कैसे किसी कंप्लेंट्स को कैसे किसी आप लीजिए कि प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, सिटीजन्स को प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं, तो उनको हम कैसे सिविक प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और इस पे हम वर्क कर सकते हैं। यही प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट मेरा रहेगा।
And what motivated you to participate in this TechTRIX 2025 and how was your experience?
मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा था। पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए ऐसा कुछ सही सोचा नहीं था कि मतलब जैसे हमने कर लिया पार्टिसिपेट बिकॉज वी फ्रेंड्स वर थिंकिंग टू पार्टिसिपेट इन इवेंट और हम एक्सपीरियंस लेना था हैकाथॉन का। सो बाय द वे मैंने कराए हैं कुछ हैकाथॉन्स, ये मेरा फर्स्ट एज अ पार्टिसिपेंट हैकाथॉन है, तो दैट इट्स ग्रेट टू बी पार्टिसिपेंट ऑल्सो।
What kind of challenges do you face while working on your projects and how did you overcome from them?
चैलेंजेस इस सच यही आते हैं कि नई टेक्नोलॉजीज मिलती हैं, नई टेक्नोलॉजी सीखने का पड़ता है, ज़रूरत पड़ता है और मतलब एरर्स होते हैं उनको सॉल्व करना होता है, तो मतलब हेडेक है। लेकिन अगर यही है कि अगर करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो, बिल्कुल हर चीज़ सॉल्व हो सकती है। इंजीनियरिंग आपको यही सिखाता है।
First of all, please introduce yourself and tell us little bit about your project or idea.
Okay, so myself Simran Khanna and I am from CU, Chandigarh University, and our idea is about e-governance complaint management system and our team is made in India. This is something we are doing here and we'll surely get the very great solution for the problem.
What motivated you to participate in this TechTRIX 2025 and how was your experience been so far?
Actually, I have done a code relay in my university. That was my first coding competition. And after that, I realized that I have to do hackathons also for much more experience. And so I just want to gain many more experience as I can do.
What challenges did you face while working on your projects and how did you overcome from them?
Challenges are nothing more, especially like we have to spend very sleepless nights, and that's okay. It's not a challenge. We're working hard for it, and we want to do something great for the society also. So it's not a challenge. And some others like the code stack, because we have just completed second year, so the material that we have already learned is not enough. That high level should be that we can touch.
First of all, please introduce yourself and tell us little bit about your project.
Myself, I am Kavya Gupta from Anand Engineering College, and we are going to project the hackathon on student mental wellness platform. It is about in regular life students are facing many issues like stress, anxiety and depressions and many things. So we find a alternative way by using the AI. We are creating a chatbot and many other things that helps the students to reduce their stress, anxiety, and depression. They do not need to go for psychiatrists and physicians. They will talk with the AI to improve their psychological problems.
What motivated you to participate in this TechTRIX 2025 and how was your experience here been so far?
The thing which has motivated me is that it will help me in the future. It will help me in my increasing the resume, and also it will be very fruitful for my future. And the experience is pretty good. All the coordinators and members are very cooperative and very respectful, and they are all listening.
What kind of challenges you were facing while working on your projects and how did you overcome from them?
There are so many challenges in the doing it, like emotional support that we cannot overcome by the AI, but we overcome it through various means. We are using a 3-layered support techniques in our project. So by using these 3-layer techniques, we overcome our challenge. The main problem is that.
First of all, introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about your project.
Okay, so basically I am Ayushi Sharma. I am doing B.Tech from IPO University. My college being Akhilesh Das Institute of Professional Studies. I am from EC and I am in my final year of B.Tech. So basically we introduce...
My name is Ritu Kumari and I'm from Akhilesh Das Gupta Institute of Professional Technology. I'm in last year, 4th year, and in EC background. So we represent the problem state of student mental health support. So
basically our project name being a student
mental health support app. We provide chat box, just like AI chat box, and video call, voice call. There is many options we provide in this platform. So basically, and we'll give the name of this app also. It's like feedback, a friend at your side. So this is basically a completely anonymous platform. So we don't.
So basically, in our generation, many people are facing problems like mental health problems. They are facing anxiety or depression, and so basically what happens is they want someone to talk to, and in order to do that, they prefer talking to someone who is anonymous, and they want to keep their identity hidden. So basically, and in our platform, we offer that service, and there will be listeners, and there will be a user platform as well. So basically, what happens is that we will employ some listeners, and they will be talking to the users, and they can
like students. We hire some professionals listeners, like they are educated, like B.Tech, MBBS, like doctors. They are educated, so they are working in our platform. So they are completely anonymous to each other. They don't know each other. So basically, we will give a little touch about anonymous. So this is not mentioned in the like chart, but we'll give this touch to our site.
What motivated you to participate in this TechTRIX 2025 and how has been your experience so far?
This has helped to build our resume basically, and for job. So basically, this hackathon helps me in build my resume.
Yes, so basically, even I wanted to do this in order to enhance my resume. So, yeah.
What challenges you were facing while working on your projects and how did you overcome from them?
Okay, so basically, the main challenge was to understand what is the need of this project and what the user. Basically, what is the need of the user? So basically, those were the challenges, and in order to overcome those challenges, we did a survey, and wherein we collected data of what the students need from us, and we made challenges or we made changes
Like
accordingly.
what kind of services they need, like anxiety, what kind of like most of the students need chat, video call, voice call. So we survey that and we add that.
Okay, thank you so much for sharing your experience and your idea with 10 News Network.